This is a clothing haul and I have Swiggy on my phone open right now. Hi, welcome to a huge haul for my trip after the wedding. I know उसको honeymoon बोलते हैं but मुझे बहुत ऐसा awkward सा feel होता है to call it honeymoon. But yeah, for that trip I've bought a lot of clothes which I'm going to show you today. Let's start with this green top because this is 2 in 1. इसको बीच में से खुला रखेंगे तो it becomes like a nice cape shrug type thing. And if you tie it up, please ignore the construction sound. 4 बज गए तो अभी चालू हो गया, मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकती इसके बारे में. So I'm trying to keep you as close as possible so that you don't hear all of this. But coming back to the top, it's very cute, very fun, great for vacation. Then we have this white v-neck top. Now technically I'm not supposed to wear white for like 1.5 week or something after the wedding, but मैंने क्या सोचा कि I'll pair it with a fun color pant or skirt ना, तो उतना चलता है, like because my majority element will be color block. I like how it has so much of self design on it, but you should definitely size up क्योंकि ये थोड़ा सा tight आ रहा है in the regular sizing. Okay, then this blue one shoulder top. Now it's a pullover but it has a cutout on one side, so if you're a pear shaped body, this is going to look amazing because it brings all the attention to your shoulders, and its blue color is very striking. So for vacation, if you don't want to go very fancy, you can just do a color blocking thing, or one bright color with a neutral will also look great. All the things you're seeing will be tagged in this video, so you can just click on it to see the current price and one click checkout. तो फटाफट आप buy कर सकते हो. You don't have to go through the description and search कि अरे ये top कहाँ है, सब कुछ यहीं पर tagged है. I also love corsets, so this white one by Luluans का के बहुत अच्छे corsets है, but make sure you check out their entire collection because it starts at just 900 rupees but it goes up to 3 to 4,000. So if you're looking for something on a budget, they do have it, बस थोड़ा सा ढूंढना पड़ेगा. I like this one because it had so many cute flowers on it, and this can actually be styled as a blouse with Indian outfits. Then this pink top, you are going to see a lot of bold colors from me, especially full sleeve, because sometimes I'm just in the mood to be cozy, and when there's a deeper neck, a round neck, it actually looks better rather than like a full band gala. At least there's some element of your body which is like bringing the proportion together, and this one was a good material, so I like it. Style cast का जो section है on Myntra, they actually have good clothes in that section. Now coming to dresses, there will definitely be date nights, we'll go on dinners and all, so I ordered this nice maxi dress, but ये मुझे फोटो में देख के लगा था कि टाइट आएगा, तो मैंने XL मंगाया और ये बहुत लूज हुआ. So this you can order true to size. Material में stretch भी था and it looked very hot, like the slit was not very ऊपर की, you will be uncomfortable. It was a good length, the dress was actually floor length, and it's perfect to actually go for cute little dinners and date nights. Now cord sets are the best when you don't know what you want to wear but you still want to be comfy, so I ordered 3 of them. The first one is a beige color cord set with a white border, and ये actually size medium में ही available था, but this is so oversized, it's actually making me look very bulky, very motu. So you can size down in this because ये actually बहुत oversized है, but comfortable भी उतना ही है, especially if you want to wear thermal wear इसके अंदर, then it's a good size, right? You can wear 2-3 layers inside this. And I ordered the same one in black. ये thankfully small size में available था. This has a cobalt blue border all over. इसमें छोटे छोटे से cuts भी है side पे, so that adds थोड़ा सा character to the outfit. And इसकी भी pants are very comfy, which you can actually wear with a separate cobalt blue pullover जो मैंने इसके पहले बताया. And yeah, I think one of these is what I'll wear to the airport. It can be my airport look for the trip after the wedding, because this trip must not be named. And the last one is a cord set with a mini skirt and a crop blazer. White है पूरा, black borders है, and it has golden buttons. ये actually dress जैसा लगता है, but because this is a cord set, you can style these things separately. Like top आप black pants के साथ पहन सकते हो. The skirt you can wear with any other element. So I always feel like cord sets are more पैसा वसूल, क्योंकि उसमें से इतने सारे और outfits बन जाते हैं compared to a dress. Now this one is a little controversial क्योंकि 3-piece cord set है, ठीक है. The top, the bottoms and the shrug, इसमें top आया ही नहीं. So I'm wearing my own black top in this, but I returned it so that I can get the whole set again. Very chic looking. It makes for a great beach outfit and just a loungewear thing अगर आपको घर में पहनना है. And it's the same fabric, the same color, so it looks very put together. When अपन ने कुछ दिमाग नहीं लगाया कि इसको कैसे स्टाइल करना चाहिए. You can actually go the Indo-Western route also with this. You can wear like a really heavy oxidized necklace with this and juttis and a boho bag, and it makes for a great shopping outfit. अभी pajamas ना मैंने बहुत सारे order किए, ठीक है, because I love lounging in cute pajamas. So I'm going to run through them. I'm going to try to show you all 10 pajamas in 2 minutes, so bear with me. We're going on Rajdhani Express in 3, 2, 1. Now the first one is a very beachy outfit because I love beaches. I love Goa a lot, so it has seashells and it has a short sleeve shirt with it. But we have a full length one because I felt like full pajamas भी होने चाहिए. This actually has stripes, so this is a Victoria's Secret dupe क्योंकि इसमें white stripes है. But this was very form fitting, मतलब बहुत snug fitting थी इसकी. I usually prefer looser pajamas. Then, oh, this one was white and it had pink bows on the sleeves. ये आपको खुद बांधनी पड़ेगी, so they may keep coming off if you're actually going to do some housework in your pajamas. But बहुत ही ज़्यादा cute. If you like bows, this is one pajama set you should actually try. Talking about bows, this one has bows too. It has very mini shorts and a very open cami top also. This is a bit out there. If you're comfortable, this is totally something that you can wear around the house or also on vacation when you go. That has pink bows ka print all over it and also pink lace detailing. अभी hearts वाला trend is very out there. I actually have one with hearts embroidered on it जो मुझे wedding में gift में मिलने वाला है. Thankfully many a things Kumar's family asked me कि okay we want to gift you this you can order as per your wish कि तुमको क्या चाहिए. So I've ordered one from their side also and I bought one from my side also. मुझे इतने पसंद आती है hearts वाली print. Okay, now Blanc 9 is a brand which makes very unique pajamas, but I actually ordered the wrong size for all of them. So in the try on you'll see that they're very loose and ill fitting for me, but that is my fault. मैंने गलत size मंगाई है सब में. The first one has this coconut or palm tree on the collar. It's a plain white shirt and it has yellow ochre striped pajamas. Again very beachy, very cozy. Then the viral hard pocket pajamas are also from Blanc 9. Short sleeves and slightly flared pants. This top is so cute कि इसको बाहर भी पहन सकते हैं. If you have like a girls pajama party or a breakfast party, then this pajama will actually look very cute. I have a similar one in blue that has flowers on the top, but इसकी जो sleeves है, the butterfly sleeves, like they have so much of flair in it. So if you have chunky arms like me, it's good. Like it brings a lot of attention to your shoulders and not your heavy biceps. Blanc 9 said there was another one which has puffy sleeves and flowers embroidered all over on the front. So embroidery is always more exquisite, and that is why Blanc 9 का price range भी ऊपर था. But कितने अलग-अलग से designs थे इनके पास. ये हॉल में कोई structure नहीं है कि सारे pajamas एक साथ होंगे, फिर dresses होंगे, फिर tops आएंगे, सब mix होने वाला है because मैंने वैसे ही order किया है. Every night I would go on Myntra ऐसे रात के 2-3 बजे नींद नहीं आती थी तो, and whatever thing I would like I would order. So वो order history के हिसाब से I'm showing you everything. Now we have a butter yellow dress, very form fitting. So I'm planning to wear a shapewear in this for a more seamless look. But the slit on this is very high, very hot. This is best for beachy vacations where you know bikinis and all would be really comfortable because this dress comes in that category. I love it because we might consider a tropical location, so this is for that. And another very similar dress is this neon one. Oh my god, I love the fringe detailing in the front. It looks like a dhoti but it's not, so it has this very feminine touch to the whole outfit because of that. Again, there's a fake corset look to this. इसमें actually corseting है नहीं, boning नहीं है, but it looks like that, so it always makes the waist look smaller, and it's a very put together outfit. Then there's a corset-y butter yellow top which has a ruffling on the borders. I loved it, but it would just make my arms look so healthy. That's why I returned it. I'm not sure if you like this now. I can still reorder it again. What do you think about this whole look? I felt like बहुत Cinderella before the ball vibes दे रहा था because it had that structure and it was a very light pastel color. Yeah, it just looked great in the photo. Probably not the same on me, I felt. होता है ना ऐसा कभी-कभी you find yourself not looking the best. I felt like that. Then this dress. It's a yellow dress with so many flowers all over it. It was supposed to be very short, but it's actually an awkward length. I love how it looks a very cafe type vibe dress, but इसकी length को थोड़ा fix करवाना पड़ेगा. Now white dresses को कौन मना कर सकता है? This one had puffy sleeves, a square neck. A square neck is actually my favorite because it's very unique and it makes your shoulders look even broader. And it had a cut. It was a midi length dress and very fairy like. अभी याद है Pooh from K3G used to wear those scarf tops. They're very much back in trend. So I ordered one mixed print one, and the next day I saw Ishita Mangal wear, and I love Ishita Mangal's style. She's like a style icon for me, and I felt very validated of my choice. Then I ordered this top from Lulu and Sky. I don't know मैंने medium क्यों मंगाया. No wonder it was so tight for me. But yeah, if I would have ordered like a large, it would have been much better. Looks very coquette, and the minimal black detailing is giving like a peekaboo effect. Now पापा के शर्ट सारे मेरे ऑर्डर हिस्ट्री में. फाइनली ही इज कन्वर्टेड टू एन ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग पर्सन बिकॉज उनको ना स्टोर में जाके ट्राई करने में बहुत मगजमारी होती है. सो नाउ दैट ही नोज कि सब प्रॉपर्ली रिटर्न हो जाएगा, ही इज लाइक गेम फॉर इट. अभी मैंने कुछ फुटवेयर भी मंगाई. देर ऑल फ्रॉम द व्हाइट पोल बिकॉज आई फाउंड स्नीकर्स इन द व्हाइट पोल which were blingy and great for the wedding. So this is not for the trip essentially. I'll also be using some of this for the wedding. The first one is this pair of golden heels with huge golden balls all over them. This made me remind of Papa Don't Preach for some reason because these are so extra, so dramatic. I love it. The heel is also block heel, so it was very comfortable to wear. Then we have these loafers which had sequins all over them and jute in the front. So good for wedding wear, but when I was wearing them, इसके अंदर एक rubber lining थी and because of the rubber lining, इसको पहनना और निकालना इतना आसान नहीं था. So मुझे जो लगा था कि it'll be super easy to wear them, they weren't that easy, but they looked very stunning and much more comfortable compared to a jutti. Oh, then this is definitely for travel. These are white mules with black contrast leather trims. They look very chic and good for like dress up outfits. Formal outfits में भी अच्छा लगेगा, but there's just something about a contrast of a white jute with black leather that looks so good. हाँ, these heels were a steal deal. जब मैंने ऑर्डर किया था तब 1000 के नीचे थे ये. Very heighted and diamond के दो पट्टे, so they can go with Indian also, Western also, and when you need that height in a sari, you can actually wear them without being uncomfortable. And lastly, these embellished sneakers. मेरी आवाज जाने वाली है. I just don't want it to go before the wedding, but हाँ, इसमें ना golden diamonds है all over. So for Sangeet, this will look amazing. These are for 4000, which is a lot of money, but Anar and all is in 15,000. So if that is out of the budget, these are good options at 4000 rupees. Back to tops now. Like there's no structure in this video. I have this blue halter neck top which is very very stretchy. I love stretchy tops because I don't really like outfits that like suffocate me and I can't breathe in them. This will look very nice with any kind of bottom. Jeans के साथ भी अच्छा लगेगा, white mini skirt के साथ भी अच्छा लगेगा. So this is already gone in my post wedding trip का luggage bag. Then we have this one pink top with a white camisole attached to it, so it looks very Y2K, very 90s, but इसमें भी large मुझे इतना tight हो रहा है. So size up 2 times for sure for that comfy and cozy fit. Another one very similar top. This is XL and this was kind of okay fitting. There were bows, satin bows on both of the sides and it looked very coquette. इसका length थोड़ा सा short है but एकदम भी short नहीं है. So with high waisted denims, it'll be a good outfit. Oh, and this one shoulder green satin top. ये मैंने रखा था कुमार के birthday के लिए, but इतनी ठंडी थी कि I couldn't wear such a sleeveless top, so I've already packed it for the trip. But it looked very nice. When I took it in the hand, I felt like कितना flimsy material है, but पहनने के बाद it looked amazing. इसको इस्त्री करना पड़ेगा, अभी मैंने नहीं किया है because I just had to show it to you. It's like showing it to a friend कि जैसे ही पार्सल आया खोलो पहनो दिखाओ. I've not ironed it yet. मैं सोच रही हूँ घूमने जाऊंगा ना उधर ही iron करूंगा. अभी से iron करूंगा तो वैसे भी खराब ही हो जाएगा ना. I just want to save effort in the present. Future problem is future problem. Then there are a couple more sweaters which are very tight, so I just returned them. Sizing का कोई अंदाजा नहीं है. Some larges were very loose, some larges were very tight. Oh, there's one more blue top I ordered. It's a proper V-neck. इसमें कुछ भी ऐसा shoulder ऊपर नीचे वाला fancy element नहीं है. If you prefer a classic cut of a top, it does have 3 golden buttons though, so that adds some element. And when I ordered it was only for $5.99 and it looks definitely like a Zara or a Veramoda piece. So Stylecast X Revolt is doing a good job. And from Stylecast again I ordered this pullover जिसका zip खोलते तो it becomes a V-neck, but you zip it up it becomes a proper turtleneck. It has these stripes, horizontal black and white stripes, so it looks very timeless. Then there's an off-shoulder little sweater which is taupe color, like a very light brown color with a bow. इसकी bow बांधने में मम्मियों मुझे 15 मिनट लग गए because there was a single hole and a satin ribbon that they had given with it. So we were looking at the picture and trying to figure out कि how do we manage it, but mom being the genius, she did it by herself. And then there was this set of a matching knit brown top with a brown jacket. In the photo it was cream, पूरा brown आया है, so it looked a bit different but it looked very nice because anything matchy actually looks nice ना, उसको अलग से भी style कर ही सकते हैं like a co-ord set. And the pink sleeveless top which has extra fabric under the bust, so whenever there's extra fabric under the bust it looks very chic. It looks like a corset but it has just like a cowl neck effect without having a very deep neck, so I love that silhouette. And I also ordered a heart sweater. Clearly this is like my 4th heart wala kuch something. So this heart sweater had like a cream base and chotu se red hearts all over. Oh, this floral one, it was a plain white base with multicolor flowers. मुझे actually 3D वाले flowers करने थे but all of those were taking one month to come. उतना last minute मुझे नहीं रुकना था, so I could find this one which was coming in 2 to 3 days. It had huge flowers, pink, blue, green, yellow, you name the color and it was there on it. So yeah, I loved how bright and happy it made me feel. Then I ordered a trench but इसका मटेरियल अच्छा नहीं था. I'm just showing it to you. This is how it looked, but material was very polyestery and not nice. गर्मी दे रहा था, but not in a good way. You know, like suffocation type thing. So I would not prefer wearing this on a daily. Oh, and this H&M sweater, it has a bow in the front. वो भी पूरा diamond की lace का. And this bow is not something that you have to tie because see, हम बांध देंगे तो वो तो खुलते रहेगा ना बार बार. So a very smart thing that they did was it's a pre-tied bow attached to the button. So whenever you open the jacket, it opens without the bow coming off, and it had magnetic buttons. So I love that. And I forgot, मिला तो था मुझे flower वाला, but I wanted something different, but this is the only one that came on time. Crop sweater है, बहुत बड़े बड़े chunky flowers है. It looks like it's handmade, but yeah, it'll look good as a sweater in itself, as a pullover, and you can also open and style it. Yeah, and after a long 45 minutes of showing you what all I ordered, we are finally done. If we end up going to a place जहाँ पे shopping अच्छी होगी, तो I'll just take a few of these outfits and actually shop from there because I love taking a khali suitcase and coming back with a भरा हुआ suitcase. But if you're traveling, I hope you found this video helpful because I have both the locations covered. ठंडी जगह भी और tropical जगह भी, like a गर्म जगह भी. So yeah, we're all sorted on this front. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for future videos. I will see you in a brand new video very soon. Until then, goodbye.